If you are looking to utilize ChatGPT to help you out in finding or in getting your new job, then this cheat sheet might be of some help. Let's go through it and don't take it as a definite answer. Please make sure that you have your CV in order, you have prepared for the interview, you know about the company, you have read the job description, and you meet most of the criteria. You don't need to meet 100% of it, but make sure that at least you meet 60 to 70%, and for rest of it, you have some basic ideas. Now, if you are trying to use ChatGPT, make sure that you have your username there and you haven't exhausted your usage. Once you're sure about that, then ChatGPT can help you understand the main parts of the job. So what you need to do, copy paste the job description from the job ad or the one you received from the company or recruiter, then paste it into the ChatGPT and then use the prompt in the top left box. Once that's done, then you can also paste your resume or CV there and then ask ChatGPT to review it. Once that's done, then you can uh, ask ChatGPT to maybe write 2 or 3 copies of your CV and then compare all of them and then see which one is the best. Or maybe you could ask ChatGPT to compare them and give you the answer. If you need the cover letter, then you can even write it with the help of ChatGPT and then again try to make 2 or 3 copies with different prompts and then compare them or even ask ChatGPT to compare them. Once that's done, then again, on the basis of the job description and the company's public profile, or maybe give ChatGPT access to Glassdoor to that company's profile and previous interviews, and then ask it what could be the interview questions you might get and what should you prepare about it. And then ChatGPT or even Hugging Face could just get into a conversation with you with the interview questions. I have tried it and it is mostly 70 to 80% quite fruitful. So I would highly suggest play around with it and I'm sure that you will find it useful. If you have any feedback, please put it into the comment section. Thank you.